Hello, welcome. Good morning. Welcome back to class. I wanted to get on here quickly to talk about the overview for today's lesson. So you can see that we're going to continue with the College Board review videos and the new section of notes. It's linked in the same document. So it's linked right above the review videos in the document. And you're going to do the same thing where you're going to scroll down to the new notes, which start on page 9. And you're just going to copy and paste this new section into your existing notes. So just a reminder to make sure you're keeping like a document that has all of your notes from the whole review in it, because you eventually are going to be using that document during the AP. I also wanted to say that there are a few things in the notes today that we did not talk about in class. So he's going to talk about this idea of a p-value. We did not talk about p-values in class. What I'm going to ask you to do is go through, take the notes. It might be a little bit overwhelming because he's going pretty fast and it's a review. He's not talking about it for the first time. So go through the notes and understand that you might be a little bit confused. And then afterwards, when you do the CFU, there's another video that explains in more detail how to approach the question. So just persevere, make it through the notes, and then when you get to the CFU, I'll clarify a little bit more and go into a little bit more detail than he does in the video. Okay, have a good class today. Thank you for being here.